May I come in?
I myself Sujay Kumar, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Welcome to you e-learning classes by Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. A student, today I discuss some important problem of identities, exercise 13. So please see here. First, we discuss some formula of the identities we use in this chapter. Here, exercise 13, identity. First, reciprocal formula. Sin theta, we can write 1 by cosec theta. Similarly, cosec theta, we can write 1 by sin theta. Second, cos theta is the reciprocal of 1 by sec theta. And sec theta is the reciprocal of cos, that is 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is 1 by cot theta. And cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. And two other formula, that is tan theta, it is equal to sin theta by cos theta. It is very important identities used in this chapter. That is tan theta, we will write sin theta by cos theta. Similarly, cot theta, we write cos theta by sin theta. And there are some identities in this chapter, like first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. It is the first identity in your syllabus. From this identity, we write two formula. First, what is sin square theta? It is 1 minus cos square theta. And what is cos square theta? It is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Second identity, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. It is the second identity. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So what is sec square theta? It is 1 plus tan square theta. Because here is minus, go that side, that is plus. Now what is tan square theta? Tan square theta, then this one goes this side and it is written as sec square theta minus 1. It is second identity. Third identity, that is cosec square theta. Third identity, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. It is the third identity. We write this cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Because here is minus cot, go that side, that is 1 plus cot. And what is cot? Then cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Cosec square theta minus 1. So there are three identities and 6 formulas based on the identities. We use this formula in this chapter. Example 2 of exercise 13. Example is that sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. Here is plus, both are sec and cosec. Here is into sec square into cosec square. And in identities, these are equal. How it is possible? See here. First you write LHS. It is the process of identity. First you write LHS. I write here LHS. Next, change this. Sec square is the reciprocal of cos square. So I write 1 by cos square. And cosec square is the reciprocal of sin square. So I write 1 by sin square. Now take LCM, that is cos square into sin square. Cos square divide cos square, then remaining sin square. Sin square into 1, that is sin square. Plus, similarly sin square divide, you get cos square. Cos square into 1, that is cos square. And the first identity, that is sin square plus cos square, is 1. Then it is 1, and it is cos square into sin square. And what is the reciprocal? 1 by cos square, that is sec square. And what is 1 by sin square? That is cosec square. And this is RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. That is 5 examples. That is cosec theta minus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus cos theta. is equal to 1 by tan theta into cot theta. LHS is this and RHS is this. Dear students, some question have problem that this type questions you cannot find after solving the LHS you get RHS. It is not possible for you. So in this type question you solve first LHS and then RHS, and both equations are equal, then you can write LHS equal to RHS. So first I solve here, I write LHS cosec theta minus sin theta into sec theta minus cos theta. This cosec is the reciprocal of 1 by sin minus sin. This sec is the reciprocal of 1 by cos and minus cos. Now take LCM, that is sin. It is 1 minus sin square theta into this is cos and it is 1 minus cos square theta. What is the value of 1 minus sin square? It is clear. It is the value of cos square by sin theta into it is the value of sin square by cos theta. This cos theta and square will be cancelled. This sin theta and square will be cancelled. So what is remaining? Here is cos theta, here is sin theta. Then cos theta into sin theta. But it is not in RHS. RHS is 1 by tan theta plus cos theta. So dear students, if you have any types of problem that you can't get the RHS, then you try to solve your RHS. What is RHS you have? So try to solve RHS. RHS is 1 by tan theta plus cot theta. So we write 1 by, and this is sin theta by cos theta, and plus this is cos theta by sin theta, because tan theta is sin by cos and cos theta cos by sin, and 1 by this is LCM, that is cos theta into sin theta, cos theta into sin theta, and it is sin square theta, and here is sin you have, then you get cos, then it is cos square theta, then you get 1. Here is also 1 by sin theta into cos theta, and this is the line that divide. So you can write 1 divide 1 by sin theta into cos theta, and last 1 multiply, then you get sin theta into cos theta, that is sin theta into cos theta, and this is second. So but in RHS it is sin theta into cos theta, and LHS also sin theta into cos theta. Then you can say LHS is equal to RHS. So this type of question, example 9, that is cos theta by 1 minus tan theta and plus sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. First we change in the simplest form. Generally simplest form is every term you can change sin and cos, then try to solve by this method. Here is LHS cos by 1 minus tan and plus sin by 1 minus cos. Second step, it is cos, this time is change into sin by cos, plus sin, and this cot change into cos by sin. Now take LCM, here is 1 into cos, that is cos. So here is 1, then it is cos theta minus sin theta. Here is sin, we take LCM sin, then here is sin minus cos. It is the divide this line, and here is cos. So this cos goes that time, here cos square, and this sign goes here, that is sin square. So right here, so when you solve this, then you get cos square theta by cos minus sin, plus you get sin square theta by sin theta minus cos theta. It is cos minus sin, it is sin minus cos. Both are equally same. Only when you multiply by minus, then you get this. So you take LCM only one place. So I take LCM cos minus sin. When cos minus sin divide, then you get 1, and 1 into cos square, that is cos square. And this is sin minus cos. You divide this, then you get minus 1. When sin minus cos divide cos minus sin, then you get minus 1. And this minus 1 multiply by sin square, then you get some minus sin square. And now it is a square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus b, a minus b. That means cos plus sin into cos minus sin. This cos minus sin and cos minus sin cancel because here is a multiply sign. So what is the remain you have? You have only cos theta plus sin theta, and that is RHS. So RHS is proved. Example 13. that is sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta is equal to 2 cosec theta. Dear student, find here all term are sin and cos. Should not change of this any term in this question because it is in the form of simplest. So I write first question sin 1 plus cos and plus 1 plus cos by sin. So only we take LCM, that is LCM is 1 plus cos into sin, 1 plus cos into sin. When 1 plus cos divide this, you get sin, and sin multiply by sin, that is sin square, plus this sin divide here, then get 1 plus cos, and 1 plus cos multiply 1 plus cos, that is 1 plus cos whole square. Next here is sin square plus, this is the form of a plus b whole square, at the place of a is 1 and place of b is cos. So it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. 1 plus cos and sin theta either remain at the denominator. Here is sin square, here is cos square, we arrange one time and at one place, plus 1 plus 2 cos theta. 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Sin square plus cos square is 1 because it is first identity. So we write here 1 and plus 1 is there and plus it is 2 cos theta. What you get 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 2 cos theta. Denominator is same. Now we take LCM common between them, that is 2. Then here is 1 plus cos and here is also 1 plus cos into sin. So 1 plus cos cancel. So you have 2 by sin theta. And 2 by sin theta is the reciprocal of cosec. So 2 by sin means 2 cosec theta. And that is RHS. So that is proved. Now question number 16, examples of 13. Question is that sec cube theta means power 3 theta by sec square theta minus 1 plus cosec cube theta by cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to sec theta into cosec theta bracket sec theta plus cosec theta. First we write LHS. Question is sec cube theta by sec square theta minus 1 plus cosec cube theta by cosec square theta minus 1. This is sec cube theta and it is sec square theta minus 1. It is the formula of tan square theta. Plus cosec cube theta, it is cosec square theta minus 1. It is the formula of cot square theta. After that we change in the form of sec, tan or cot, cosec in the form of sin and cos. So sec cube means 1 by cos cube, tan square means sin square by cos square plus cosec cube 1 by sin cube theta and cot square is equal to cos square by sin square. Here is 1 by cos cube theta into, here is sin square by cos square, that is cos square by sin square, plus here is 1 by sin cube and this is changed into sin square by cos square. Here is cos cube, here is cos square, so cancel. Here is cos theta remain. Here is sin square, here is sin cube, then here sin theta remain. And what is here? 1 into 1, that is 1, cos theta into sin square, cos theta into sin square. Here is 1 into 1 and sin theta into cos square, sin theta into cos square. Now you take LCM between them. What is LCM between them? LCM is 1 by sin 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Then here is 1 by sin theta plus here is 1 by cos theta. Because cos and sin square, here is only sin common, so sin here remain. Here is cos square into sin and cos common, so 1 cos will remain. And then it is the reciprocal of sec theta into cosec theta. And it is the reciprocal of cosec theta plus it is the reciprocal of sec theta. And it is clearly, it is RHS. So it is proved. Let's now see some important questions, that is 25. Here is cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1 and cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1 and RHS is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. This type question, there are 4 types questions. First cosec 1, second type tan sec 1, and third type sin cos 1, otherwise cos sin 1, etc. All types question are same here. One rule to solve this question, in every question you try to solve in your syllabus, there are 6 or 8 bytes related to this problem. If your question is given cot, cosec and 1, then this one is always changed in the form of cot and cosec. And it is the formula of cot and cosec is cosec square minus cot square. Only this one will be changed. It is the rule. This one is only changed in the form of cosec square minus cot square. If your question is like this, then this one is changed in the form of sec and tan. And this sec and tan is the form of one is sec square minus tan square. Then at the place of 1, you write sec square minus tan square. Otherwise, your question is like as sin theta cos theta plus 1 by sin theta minus cos theta minus 1 etc. Or your RHS is like as this. That here is cos, then it is clearly that all term divided by cos. All term divided by cos. Then what you get? Sin by cos tan. Cos by cos 1. Or 1 by cos sec. Then it is your formula this. Sec tan 1. And then again 1 change into sec tan. Similarly, other question, when here is sin, then all term are divided by sin, then your form is like this. So there are 4 questions. First, cot cosec 1, second tan sec 1, and third sin cos. If divided by cos, then use here. If divided by sin, then use there. So dear student, now see how we solve this problem. Here is 1, and form is cot and cosec. Then this one is right. Cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1 by cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. This one you write in the form of this. So you write here cot theta plus cosec theta minus cosec square theta minus cot square theta. And denominator no any change. You write cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. After that, here is cot theta plus cosec theta, cot theta plus cosec theta, and minus, here is minus, so I write minus, and this is cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta. And denominator is same, no any change in denominator, cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Now take here is common, because both terms present this. So you take common cot theta plus cosec theta. Then take common, then here is 1 minus, here remain this, but here is minus, change the sign of this. So it is minus cosec theta and plus cot theta. And denominator is cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. You find out this part is always equal to this part. Here is plus 1, here is plus 1. Here is minus cosec, here is minus cosec. Here is plus cot, here is plus cot. Both are always same. If no same, that you do wrong something. It remain cot theta plus cosec theta. This cot theta means cos by sine and plus 1 by sine theta. Take LCM sine, that is cos theta plus 1 by sine theta. Dear student, you change this RHS in your question. In your question, this sign written as cos, so please you change it. RHS is cos theta plus 1 by sine theta. So in question, you please change it. This is the cos. This is the last questions of this examples 13, and remain question try to solve and ask to me. If you have any problem, then I solve by text message. Here is 28, that is under root 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a. you have sec A plus tan. I write first LHS. It is 1 plus sine, it is 1 minus sine. So this 1 plus sine multiplied by both. Like as a slicing the denominator, but it is not a denominator, but like a denominator, a slicing denominator. So first we multiply by 1 plus sine both. What you get? 1 plus sine, 1 plus sine, that is 1 plus sine whole square. 1 minus sine, 1 plus sine, that is a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Hence 1 plus sine whole square, this is the value of cos square, a, under root this. So here it is square, here is square, and this is the root. So remove the root, then 1 plus sine a by cos a. So what is remain? 1 by cos a plus sine a by cos a. 1 by cos a means sec a plus sine a by cos a, tan a. So sec a plus tan a, that is RHS, it is proved. Thank you dear.